Do you know that Chinese chicken is the world's most favorite classic and it can be made in your home in less than 30 minutes? One of the things I love about this recipe is that it has a variety of flavors, textures, and aromas. When you will bite into this chicken, you will feel the perfectly cooked, juicy and tender chicken and exotic flavor that comes from the sauce. So let me show you how to make this delicious recipe. Firstly, on a cutting board, dice the chicken into small 1 or 1.5 inch cubes. Place all the chicken pieces in a bowl and season with salt and pepper to taste. In the same bowl, squeeze juice of a half of lemon and stir until all the chicken pieces are well coated in the lemon juice. Cover with a plastic wrap and let it marinate for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, remove the plastic wrap and coat each piece of chicken into a cornstarch. In a heated pan on a medium heat, let the olive oil heat for 10 seconds. I'm using this cast aluminum wok pan, which is specialized for preparing recipes just like this. This pan is a part of a new cookware NMLE. You can stir all of the ingredients without worrying that they will spill from the pan. When you will add the glass lid on top, the silicone rim makes a vacuum, so the food will be done much faster. A large plus is that the wok pan is made with material that cannot be damaged, so I don't have to worry about scratching it while I stir all of the ingredients in it. I highly recommend you to buy this pan from all the Vera supermarkets, which is now on 50% sale on a coupon sale. In the pan with heated oil, cook the chicken for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side. What you want is to end up with crunchy chicken bite. This will happen if you use cornstarch. Using cornstarch instead of regular flour in the recipe helps to develop thicker sauce. When the chicken will be done and all golden brown, add the minced garlic cloves, chicken broth, soya sauce, brown sugar, honey, and freshly squeezed lemon juice. Cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. In a little glass, whisk the cornstarch with a little bit of cold water. Using cornstarch can be a little tricky, so I will share some tips that you might find helpful in this recipe. Always use ice-cold water when mixing the cornstarch before adding to the sauce. Also, when the mixture will all come bubbly, then it's time to add the mixed cornstarch known as slurry. When you will add the slurry to the bubbly chicken, make sure to whisk constantly for about 2 minutes. Remove from heat and serve the Chinese chicken in a serving platter. To garnish, use some sesame seeds, freshly chopped parsley, and a lemon wedge. In every bite, you will feel the aromatic and rich flavor with the lemon zing. All that chicken will be perfectly cooked, and be sure to make this recipe because it can be made in almost no time. I hope you will give this recipe a try and let me know how it turned out. For a lot more coming in future, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on social media. The full ingredient list you will find in the description box down below. Have fun cooking until the next time.